Question. Okay, use a constructor to initialize data to instead of using member assignment like this. This is called member assignment. I'm asking you to use constructor instead to initialize ID and score. 4 of you come up here, the pens are there, write down the code. It's a single line. Can be any of you. Come on. Hey, I did not spend 15 minutes of my life explaining something to you only to not have you guys not understanding anything. So you'll have to, we'll work through this together, and until we understand this, we're not going to keep going. Because you guys will not be able to do the final exam. As simple as that.
You don't have student score class.
Ah, good. Here's the student score class. Good, that's a very good question. That's the student score, and you can erase all that.
But I don't see the question now.
Okay. Let's see if I can do something. Okay, you see this, right?
Yeah.
Are we good? Great. 10. Help. Stop playing with your phone. What are you doing, Grit? Huh? The code does not have to be that complicated.
No, I'm going to erase it and do a new one.
My God. That's the class definition. So to accomplish my question, you have to make changes to this, and you have to make changes to this line. One line. It is one line. It is one line here, but there may be multiple lines.
So you want me to write only one line? Right?
Okay, start off with the one line first, and then we'll make changes to the student score as well. Come on. We have 4 students here. You guys are all July IC students. You guys are all Arrow, right?
No.
Arrow and ADME?
2 hours and 2 admins.
Hey, come on. How many engineers does it take to get the constructor right? Come on. Just write it. Just do it, man. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, man. Yeah, I mean, it should be a single line.
student score มากกว่าคลาสที่เหลือก็คลาสติงแล้วก็ A เดินมาจากงานเป็นอย่างนั้นนะไม่ได้
Oh, I see that. Student score. The one.
Student score.
Student score.
งั้นมันคือเหมือนเดิมไม่ใช่เหรอ
No. Not the same.
มันเปลี่ยนไปนิดนึงป่ะ
เปลี่ยน
ถูกป่ะครับอันนี้คือในเนี่ยใช่ไหมฮะมันต้องรันแบบนี้ก่อนไม่ใช่ถูกป่ะครับ
Okay. What is this? Just this line. What is this?
The constructor.
Good.
Yeah.
Do you need this though? Okay, let me help you. You don't need this. You're basically writing the code here, right? You're changing this code. Okay.
Okay.
How about write out the whole thing, starting from public class, so that I'm sure that you understand what we do. Yeah, because otherwise, I'm really concerned for you. Okay, and
No, you put
And-
public ID, public string ID, public install. Yeah.
come on, we've already come this far.
ใช่ป่ะ public string ID ข้างบนก่อนคือinstall แล้วข้างล่างเป็น ID อะไรกับก็
อ๋อก็สองคลาสในเนี้ยแบบ
อันนี้เป็น constructor หรือเปล่า
ของ constructor อันนี้คือเป็น
อันนี้คือรายแรกของ
อันนี้ต้องมีแค่เดียวนะก็ถูกแล้วนะว่าต้องก่อนหน้า
อันนี้ต้องใส่สองอันนี้ก่อนป่ะ
ใส่อะไรอ๋อ
public string ID public install
ใช่
ต้องใส่ป่ะ
ต้องใส่
กับ ASCII
yes of course
I don't know I don't know
should be
Come on.
ไปข้างบน
Huh?
ต้องมีนี่ก่อนใช่ไหม
Supavit, right? Just follow your gut. Just write it down.
his name is not Sukhumvit his name is Sukhumvit
Supavit, I said Supavit.
just here Sukhumvit public string what what in English public score score อ๋อ
ใช่ป่ะถูกป่ะต้องเห็น ID เรียน ID สองป่ะ
ไม่ต้อง
ทำไมต้องมันมี ID สามตัวไม่
คือมันต้องเป็น data บางไม่มีถูกไม่ดีหรือเปลี่ยนก็ได้ถ้าเปลี่ยนว่าถ้าเปลี่ยนเป็น ID คำว่า ID เปลี่ยนไม่ได้เว้ยคำว่า ID มันเปลี่ยนไม่ได้ว่า ID
ตรงนี้เอาออกตรงนี้แชร์
จริงๆแทนไปแล้วนะก็ปิดเป็นแบล็กเก็ตเฉย
Remember, the question was how to initialize data to using constructor. If you want to initialize it, don't you need to pass data to it too?
Data สองกับ Data หนึ่งเนี่ย
Both, because you see, both of them need both ID and score to initialize, right?
only data to oh okay
ต่อมาเขียน system ต่อมาเป็นไลน์
ID equals to
ไม่ใช่เอา
No. He's sort of right. You don't need system out.print line never doesn't do anything. It just print out everything. Hold on. We're not trying to do this part. We're not trying to do this part. We're just trying to make this part a single line in here. But I'm not saying that this has to be a single line. What are you trying to do? Okay, great. Then pay attention here too. What are we trying to do here? Why do we take in two input arguments? What's the point? Why? Use them. What are we trying to do? What are we trying to do?
So you put ID equals something.
Yeah, right?
So just print it out.
okay I know that
แล้ว
Now I know you guys are a bunch of posers. You don't really, when I ask you, do you understand? You don't. That's why I had to force you. No, where's data.2 come from? Where did that come from?
not to.
That's not defined in there.
data is not there just ID เนี่ยใส่ ID เท่ากับอะไรสักอย่างใช่ไหม
Follow your gut, come on.
ID เท่ากับโค้ดสตริงโค้ด
No. That's
No?
But then if you did that, then what's the point of passing in the IDs and score here? Then this would only work for data 2.
You just write 0, 0, 0 to do one into string ID instead of writing.
Yeah, you pass that in, but
Oh.
So you have to write string ID just put 0, 0.
Instead of put the string ID and score in this
Just
bracket,
put 0, 0 to 1 and 9.
just turn it to the real.
no.
Data.
Because this you're defining the constructor. You're saying
Can
that
you put all this in one line like put all these three things in one line
yes, I want. I mean, no. Yeah, yes. After you're done changing that, then you can make these 3 lines in 1 line.
it's just this three fields of like
Yes.
and then we put students one let's say S1 go to new student score bracket 0, 0, 0 to 1 comma and 9
9. There. Good. Get that?
So is this correct?
You see that?
Or just
This is the last line, yeah. But is it done? My question is it done?
it's done for one piece
it's done for the data.
No. You see, for data 2, it's good.
Yeah.
But is this all that we need?
no we need system.out
No, I didn't say that. If you put this in, what will happen? Look carefully. Are you setting these 2 member variables?
Not so.
You haven't. Okay, since we don't have the whole day, because otherwise, why would you see? I added underscore to the input arguments that you put in here. You have to assign them to these. Otherwise, how do you initialize these? Do you see?
what if you take that out
If you take this out,
no not the top part
Take the top.
hey, you cannot take the top part out. Then this class will have no data attributes.
So you have to declare it again in this series score.
Because if you took these out, then this S1, you cannot do this. You cannot do this. You will not be able to access them. Because basically you are declaring an empty data class, data type. Does this make any sense? Do you see what I'm trying to get at? This is how you initialize it. You have to, maybe don't use ID underscore, maybe it will confuse you, like new ID. ID, this ID is initialized to new ID,
So what is
which you passed
this
in.
underscore?
Then that's why I said.
it's just a different name
Yeah, just a different name. That's all. This is new score, right? In new score. Does that make sense? Are you guys clear?
Clear.
And guess what? The source code that I uploaded on Facebook cover exactly this. What we've just gone over. But I think now it's clear to you guys. Clear for you too? Clear for you too? You explain to your friends.
Notice that the line below the ID new ID.
Yeah, let me write. First of all, you have to understand that when I say, so this is a constructor, right? You have to understand that when we say ID and score here, they refer to the ID and the score here. Okay? And all I'm saying is this. I'm passing it into the constructor. The whole point is to just make it different. And it can be anything. It can be old ID, new ID, ID with another score, some ID, doesn't matter. Point is we're trying to make this a different name from this so they don't conflict. But we're trying to set the value that you pass in from here to the ID and score here. That's all. Right? Who's still lost? I strongly recommend, if you're still a bit uncertain, to go into Facebook, start using Facebook, and download the source code I uploaded today, and then play with it on your Eclipse. So you understand exactly what am I trying to say. All right? Okay, we're going to keep going now. But I hope now you understand more when we say attributes, method name, return types, constructor, okay? All right. So, all right. So I'm simply instantiating two objects, and I'm simply printing out the ID and the score. That's it. That's all the entire slide is doing. This is more clear now, I hope. So we're going to keep going. Object, data, and methods. Can you tell me which one is data, which one is method? But does it make sense? You see, if I declared a class myRobo, how many attributes do I have? How many methods? Attributes, fields, or instance variables, these are all synonymous. They refer to the same thing. Attributes, all they really are just things. Like you have your phone, you have arms, you have legs. Those are attributes. Those are fields. Those are instance variables, right? And you have methods. These are the verbs. What you are able to do. What are you able to do? Yeah. What can you do? You can eat. Okay. What can you do? You walk. What do? You shoot. And you shoot. Oh, you shoot too. Okay. Okay. All right. So eat, walk, shoot, shit, shoot. Okay. Shoot. What are those? What are those examples of what? Methods. All right. What do you have?
Shoes.
Shoes? What do you have?
Method.
Huh?
Method.
Methods? No. You're not. What do you have? You are able to shoot.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a verb. What's the noun? What do you have?
Gun.
Okay, you have a gun. What do you have? You have a water gun.
Shoes.
You have shoes. You have food. Okay. Those are nouns. Those are data. Those are attributes. Does it make sense? All right. Class definition. Again, what are the things, what are the fields, what are the nouns that this class has? how many